Rob Mayeda here now. And Rob, as you heard that gentleman say, beautiful weather.
Sunny. Yeah, you got the sun behind you there. San Francisco over to the coast. We did get those gusty winds at times, which helped to mix in drier air, and it pushed the low clouds well offshore. But those wind speeds really have been picking up during the day. San Jose, northwest wind at 17 miles per hour, 72 degrees. More wind over around Dublin at 71, and it's got the spider webs blowing around there, the camera lens. And look at the trees in San Rafael. Southwest wind at 29 miles per hour, 72 degrees. Gusts up to close to 40 miles per hour into Marin County, and winds still coming in off the ocean across the bay, keeping San Francisco in the low 60s, despite the fact we have all that sunshine out there. That's been a nice change today out on the coast. With the change in the wind direction, you can see here we got clear skies for now, but look what's off to the north. We got storms that will be bringing a chance of these showers dropping into Northern California. Scattered showers there right near Mount Shasta, areas north of Interstate 80. There's a chance of a few isolated snow showers at times for Monday. Don't think it's going to get this far south. Maybe Mendocino County and northern Lake County might see an isolated shower during the day tomorrow. So temperature-wise, tomorrow pretty close to what we had today, but not as warm up in Santa Rosa. We're not expecting temperatures climbing into the mid-80s like we had this afternoon. Temperature trend by midday tomorrow, mostly 60s. Inland 70s out towards Salado County. The North Bay again should see some 70s. But upper 60s more likely for the northern half of the Santa Clara Valley and those bayside temperatures. And the wind still a factor tomorrow. Look at those wind gusts. Similar to what we're seeing now, if not slightly stronger for inland areas into tomorrow evening. Then as we approach Tuesday morning, the wind speeds start to back off. That's ushering in much drier air. Clear skies inland sets the stage for a chance of seeing 40s inland for Tuesday morning. That looks to be the coldest of the mornings ahead during the afternoon. Pretty nice temperature recovery for Tuesday. Trending a little bit warmer, which takes us to the official start of summer. As we get into Wednesday, we'll see numbers in the mid to upper 70s. A few 80s possible out towards Solano County, but cooling changes again on Thursday. As this low starts to lift on out, we get that warming on Wednesday. Look what drops in behind it for Thursday and Friday. Another area of low pressure. That's going to keep temperatures dropping down, actually, as we get into Thursday and Friday. You see two periods of wind. One we've got now into tomorrow. The next one arriving Thursday. So, yeah, the calendar says summer on Wednesday, but we're going to see another cool down after that. Thursday into Friday, upper 60s to low 70s. And then if you like the weather we had this weekend, 60s and 70s, there's more of that. It's just copy and paste forecasting here heading into the first weekend of summer. Staying mild.
I still want summer. I'm demanding it, Rob.
Here
Someday. Thanks, Rob.